Answers to Common Questions, Lesson number 7. What does she look like? What does she look like? Anong itsura niya? She's tall and slim with long hair. She's tall and slim with long hair. Matangkad siya at payat na may mahabang buhok. How tall are you? How tall are you? Gaano ka katangkad? I'm about 6 feet tall. I'm about 6 feet tall. Mga 6 feet tall ako. Are you ready to order? Are you ready to order? Handa ka na bang umorder? Not quite. I think I need more time. Not quite. I think I need more time. Hindi pa. Tingin ko kailangan ko pa ng kaunting oras. Would you like some coffee? Would you like some coffee? Gusto mo ba ng kape? Yes, I'd like some coffee. Thanks. Yes, I'd like some coffee. Thanks. Oo, gusto ko ng kape. Salamat. Is it dark now? Is it dark now? Madilim na ba? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Oo. Is it worth $1,000? Is it worth $1,000? Nagkakahalaga ba yon ng $1,000? No, it can't be worth that. No, it can't be worth that. Hindi pwedeng ganoon ang presyo nun. Who do you usually go with? Who do you usually go with? Sino ang madalas mong kasama? I often go with my family. I often go with my family. Pamilya ko ang madalas kong kasama. Lynn doesn't go out much, does she? Lynn doesn't go out much, does she? Hindi masyadong lumalabas si Lynn, no? No, she doesn't. No, she doesn't. Hindi. Have you seen my phone? Have you seen my phone? Nakita mo ba ang phone ko? No, I haven't. No, I haven't. Hindi. Do you want to see a doctor? Do you want to see a doctor? Gusto mo bang magpatingin sa doktor? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Oo. What makes you happy? What makes you happy? Ano ang nagpapasaya sa'yo? Traveling and sightseeing. Traveling and sightseeing. Pagbabiyahe at pamamasyal. What time is it? What time is it? Anong oras na? It's 2:30. It's 2:30. 2:30 na. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Malapit na ba tayo? No, not even close. No, not even close. Hindi malayo pa. Are you a native speaker of English? Are you a native speaker of English? Native speaker ka ba ng English? Yes, I am. Oo. Do you enjoy spicy food? Do you enjoy spicy food? Gusto mo ba o nasisiyahan ka ba sa maanghang na pagkain? Yes, I do, especially on cold days. Yes, I do, especially on cold days. Oo, lalo na kapag malamig ang panahon. Have you ever been abroad? Have you ever been abroad? Nakapunta ka na ba sa ibang bansa? Yes, I have. I've traveled to Central Europe many times. Yes, I have. I've traveled to Central Europe many times. Oo, nagbiyahe na ako sa Central Europe ng maraming beses. What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? Anong gusto mong kainin? I'd like pizza and soda. I'd like pizza and soda. Gusto ko ng pizza at soft drink. May I sit here? May I sit here? Pwede ba akong umupo dito? Sure. Oo ba? Is this correct? Is this correct? Tama ba to? No, it's wrong. No, it's wrong. Hindi mali yan. What's Finland like? What's Finland like? Anong klaseng bansa ang Finland? It's an interesting place with many things to see and do. It's an interesting place with many things to see and do. Isa itong nakakawiling lugar na may maraming bagay na pwedeng makita at gawin. How was the movie? How was the movie? Kumusta ang pelikula? It was really good. You should watch it. It was really good. You should watch it. Ang ganda. Dapat mong panoorin yon. Would you like something to eat? Would you like something to eat? Gusto mo ba ng makakain? Yes. Could I have a cup of tea and some cake? Thank you. Yes, could I have a cup of tea and some cake? Thank you. Oo, pwede ba akong humingi ng isang tasang tsaa at cake? Salamat. Are you waiting for a bus? Are you waiting for a bus? Naghihintay ka ba ng bus? No, I'm waiting for a taxi. No, I'm waiting for a taxi. Hindi, taxi ang hinihintay ko. Can I help you with your luggage? Can I help you with your luggage? Pwede ba kitang tulungan sa bagahe mo? No, thank you. I'd rather do it myself. No, thank you. I'd rather do it myself. Hindi, salamat. Mas gusto kong ako na lang. Did you like the concert? Did you like the concert? Nagustuhan mo ba ang concert? Yes, it was fantastic. Yes, it was fantastic. Oo, ang ganda. Do you feel relaxed listening to music? Do you feel relaxed listening to music? Nare-relax ka ba kapag nakikinig sa musika? Yes, I feel like there are no more worries in the world. Yes, I feel like there are no more worries in the world. Oo, pakiramdam ko parang wala nang alalahanin sa mundo. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? Anong lagay ng panahon? It's quite cold. Make sure to bundle up. It's quite cold. Make sure to bundle up. Medyo malamig. Magdamit ka ng maayos. What did you do on Monday night? What did you do on Monday night? Anong ginawa mo noong Lunes ng gabi? I baked a cake. I baked a cake. Nag-bake ako ng cake. Are you thinking of buying a car? Are you thinking of buying a car? Nagpaplano ka bang bumili ng sasakyan? Yes, but I still haven't made up my mind. Yes, but I still haven't made up my mind. Oo, pero hindi pa rin ako nakakapagpasya. Did Kara come to the party? Did Kara come to the party? Dumating o nagpunta ba sa party si Kara? No, she didn't. Hindi. Or, yes, she did. Oo. What color is your skirt? What color is your skirt? Anong kulay ng palda mo? Green. Berde. Are your hands cold? Are your hands cold? Malamig ba ang mga kamay mo? No, they aren't. No, they aren't. Hindi. Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? Nasaan ka kahapon? I was in Taiwan. I was in Taiwan. Nasa Taiwan ako. Do you understand? Do you understand? Naiintindihan mo ba? No, I still don't understand. No, I still don't understand. Hindi ko pa rin maintindihan. Is everything okay? Is everything okay? Okay ba ang lahat? O ayos lang ba ang lahat? Yes, everything's fine, thanks. Yes, everything's fine, thanks. Oo, okay naman ang lahat, salamat. Do you need medicine? Do you need medicine? Kailangan mo ba ng gamot? Yes, please. Yes, please. Oo. Did you call Rick? Did you call Rick? Tinawagan mo ba si Rick? Oh no, I forgot. I'll call him now. Oh no, I forgot. I'll call him now. Ay hindi, nakalimutan ko. Tatawagan ko na siya ngayon. Why are you sad? Why are you sad? Bakit malungkot ka? Because my dog died. Because my dog died. Dahil namatay ang aso ko. Can somebody show me how to change the cartridge in this printer? Can somebody show me how to change the cartridge in this printer? Meron bang pwedeng magturo sa akin kung paano pinapalitan ng cartridge ng printer na to? Sure, I will. Sure, I will. Oo, ako. Do you often go to bars or clubs? Do you often go to bars or clubs? Madalas ka bang nagpupunta sa mga bars o clubs? Not often. I sometimes go there on weekends. Not often. I sometimes go there on weekends. Hindi madalas. Minsan, pumupunta ako doon kapag weekend. What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? Anong ginagawa mo sa bakanting oras mo? I usually hang out with my friends. I usually hang out with my friends. Madalas akong tumatambay kasama ang mga kaibigan ko. Is your room clean? Is your room clean? Malinis ba ang kwarto mo? No, it's really dirty. No, it's really dirty. Hindi, sobrang dumi. Are you feeling all right? Are you feeling all right? Ayos ka lang ba? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Hindi. Do you have a non-smoking room? Do you have a non-smoking room? May non-smoking room ba kayo? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Oo, meron kami. Who's your favorite actor? Who's your favorite actor? Sino ang paborito mong aktor? That's a good question. Let me think. That's a good question. Let me think. Magandang tanong yan. Hayaan mo iisipin ko. Do you know anything about Doha? Do you know anything about Doha? May alam ka ba tungkol sa Doha? Yes, I lived there for more than 12 years. Yes, I lived there for more than 12 years. Oo, tumira ako doon ng mahigit 12 taon. How would you like to pay? How would you like to pay? Paano mo gustong magbayad? I'd like to pay by cash. I'd like to pay by cash. Gusto kong magbayad ng cash. What does your cousin Red look like? What does your cousin Red look like? Anong itsura ng pinsan mong si Red? He's tall with beard and brown eyes. He's tall with beard and brown eyes. Matangkad siya na may balbas at brown na mga mata. How long should I wait for you? How long should I wait for you? Gaano katagal kita dapat hintayin? Wait for about 1 hour. Wait for about 1 hour. Maghintay ka ng mga 1 oras. What is it about? What is it about? Tungkol saan yon? It's about a man with multiple personalities. It's about a man with multiple personalities. Ito ay tungkol sa isang lalaki na may maraming personalidad.